Companies Act, Section 378 ZC, Grant of special user rights to active members in a producer company. Producer companies, as hybrid entities blending cooperative principles with corporate structure, are designed to empower primary producers not just economically but also through meaningful participation in business operations. Section 378 ZC of the Companies Act, 2013, introduces a special mechanism whereby active members, that is, producers who significantly engage in the affairs and business of the producer company may be granted special rights in recognition of their higher levels of involvement. This section provides for the issuance, nature, transferability, and approval process of such rights, as well as a definition of what qualifies as a special right. A detailed explanation is provided below. 1. Special rights for active members subject to Articles of Association. Under subsection 1, a producer company may, if so provided in its Articles of Association, confer special rights upon those members who are classified as active members. Who are active members? Active members are generally those producers who regularly participate in the business of the company, typically by supplying produce, availing services, or contributing economically or operationally to the company in a consistent and meaningful way. The criteria for determining who qualifies as an active member are generally laid down in the Articles of Association of the producer company. Issuance of instruments for special rights. The producer company may issue appropriate instruments to such active members to represent the special rights granted to them. These instruments serve as a formal acknowledgement or embodiment of such rights and may take the form of certificates, contractual agreements, or other legally recognized documents. This provision encourages greater involvement by active members and allows the company to recognize and incentivize their contributions in a formal and structured manner. 2. Transferability of instruments with board approval. As per subsection 2, any instrument issued by the producer company under subsection 1 that embodies special user rights may be transferred, but only to another active member of the same producer company. Such a transfer can be effected only after obtaining the approval of the board of directors. This ensures that the special rights remain within the community of active and engaged members. The board exercises oversight to maintain fairness, avoid misuse, and ensure that the transferee meets the eligibility criteria. Thus, while these instruments may be transferable, the transfer is not automatic or unrestricted. It is subject to corporate governance checks and alignment with the company's cooperative objectives. 3. Definition of special right. The explanation to this section provides clarity on the meaning and scope of special rights under the Act. This may include, for example, the right to supply additional quantities of produce over and above the standard limits set for regular members, preferential treatment in pricing, procurement cycles, or access to input services, priority access to marketing channels, distribution networks, or facilities run by the producer company. Any customized contractual privileges related to the members' produce, based on their historic contribution or future commitment. These rights are tailored to reward productive and consistent engagement and are ultimately at the discretion of the board of directors, subject to the framework established in the articles. 4. Significance of special user rights in producer companies. The provision for granting special rights serves several important purposes. Encourages active participation. Members are incentivized to engage more actively in the company's business. Acknowledges contribution. Members who contribute more, especially in agricultural or cooperative settings, can be rewarded appropriately. Maintains cooperative ethos. The transferability clause ensures that such rights are retained within the active member base, avoiding commodification of rights for profit. Flexible governance. The board is empowered to customize rights based on operational needs and member behavior, enhancing the responsiveness of the company to ground realities. For more details, contact us.